life group this Wednesday. What's up with that?
Is there anything else going on this week?
Yeah, we have prayer gathering this Thursday.
When and where is it again?
7 at CHOP. It's right behind Willow Mushroom.
So is this the last life group for the rest of the semester?
Oh no, I'm gonna miss you guys.
Don't worry, we'll be starting life group again when we get back from break.
Oh, hey guys, what are you talking about?
Oh, we were just talking about how there's no more life group for the semester and how sad we were.
Oh, well, hey, don't forget, we have our closing out life group this Friday at my place at 7 p.m.
Don't forget, we're also doing White Elephant gift exchange. It'll be stupendous.
Ooh, I got the funniest gag gift and the dopest $5 gift.
I can't wait until this Friday at 7. I'm so excited.
Remember to keep the lemon open too. We're having a Christmas party with cod.
That's a fish.
Make sure to come out, because I heard we're gonna send out some people who are leaving.
Okay, I'm putting in my calendar right now.
Well, I gotta go pray and read the Bible. So I guess I'll see you all Friday or Thursday at CHOP at 7 p.m. See ya! Bye!
Hey guys, what are you guys talking about? Huh?
Hey, I heard there's no life group. Stupendous.
Ooh, I got the funniest gag gift and the dopest $5. It's dope. Is there anything else going on?